All right. So.
Hey.
Hey.
Woo!
What are we doing today?
Oh, I see the light.
The light is on.
I see that. Okay, so we have been invited to a lot of parties and brunches.
Why is that?
Because we make these really amazing strawberry Jello shots.
Indeed we do.
Indeed we do.
We do.
And so everybody wants us to come.
Plus,
to the
I'm
parties.
incredibly popular.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
You're kind of cute.
What can I do?
Whatever.
Right.
But hello. Anyways, so people are always like, "How do you do that?" And so we have a party to go to tomorrow, a brunch, and we were going to make these strawberry daiquiri shots. And so we thought we're just going to do a little video and we're going to show you how these things work.
Right. So what's the basic ingredient?
Alcohol.
No, strawberries.
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 Yes. Close. Close.
Oh, cheers.
Oh.
We find it's always better if you have a little imbibing
Yes,
too when
indeed.
you drink.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. You're not supposed to toast and then not drink. It's a thing, I believe. Okay. So we got a lovely
Cheers.
Well, I don't think that's kosher either.
What?
You're supposed to like clink and then drink.
Oh, okay.
Clink and drink.
Clink and drink.
Clink and drink.
But don't drink and drive.
That's true. Okay, so get yourself a punnet of strawberries. Now, the recipe that we use calls for a 3-ounce box of Jell-O, which is half of this size. We only had this size, and
We need to make a lot.
We need to make a lot. He's like, cut it down to half, and I'm like, why would you do that? It's Jell-O. Everybody loves Jell-O.
No, that's not what I said. What I said was follow the recipe, and you said double
the recipe.
I didn't say cut it in half.
Hello.
Yeah.
Double
anyway,
the recipe.
Anyway,
Anyways, so
we're doubling it.
We're doubling the recipe because we have a lot of strawberries, and whatever's left, we get to have in a lovely. We get to have adult Jell-O
with ice cream, probably.
with ice cream or whipped cream, but
Who
that's
knows?
a whole British
Who
thing.
knows?
Okay,
Anyway.
so first thing we're gonna do is we've got our 6-ounce container of Jell-O. Okay.
That's powder, right?
That's the powder.
Yep.
Yes, exactly. We've got ourselves a couple punnets of strawberries.
It's a punnet.
Punnent.
No, it's not punnet.
Pun intended.
There's only. Okay.
Okay, now we are doing strawberry daiquiri shots.
Yes.
In the past we've done strawberry margarita shots. The only difference is the alcohol in it.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
what do we need?
We've got ourselves some clear rum,
You right?
Yes.
In this case, Bacardi.
Bacardi. Maybe we'll get a sponsorship.
I shouldn't think so for this.
No. Some Grand Marnier. Okay.
Right. Grand Marnier.
And some lime juice.
Now, preferably, I think fresh squeezed would be good, but
Yes,
we have the bottles.
We have organic pure lime juice.
Yes.
This is fine.
There was a run on limes at the store, and they didn't have any, so we got lime juice. No.
No.
No. Okay. We just had lime juice. Okay.
It's not true.
So what do we do first?
First what we're going to do is we're going to take this packet of Jell-O
Right.
and we're going to add it to this container over here. Okay.
Right.
And
we're going to dissolve
we need into 2 cups of water, which I have right here for you.
Well, it's measured on the side. It's a measuring.
So we should add the water first.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Then there you go.
Put in 2 cups.
Oh, it's heavy.
Bring on the water.
water. And I see it. There it is.
Now this is freshly boiled. You probably heard it going in the background because
It's freshly boiled.
sound effects.
How's
and
that?
all.
Does that work?
Close enough. Yeah, close enough.
All right. We
need a
whisk.
spoon. Apparently we need a whisk.
We have the tiny whisks in here. Whoa, hold on. Here's a whisk.
Okay, so this
Got
is
the
the
whisk.
2-person job.
Yep.
I
Here we
am
go.
going to do the hard work and put in the Jell-O powder. And that is going to do great things.
Tomorrow, when we bring these, everybody says, "Oh my God, how do you make these?" We'll say, "Ooh, check out our YouTube video.
Click and subscribe.
Click and subscribe. Like and subscribe." And we all in here. That's it, baby. Just pour it all in there. It smells so good.
Now, just in case that isn't on camera, I'm gonna hold it up here so you can see. It's just Jell-O, just regular Jell-O. Haven't done anything special to it yet, have we?
Nothing special yet.
That's coming
next. Okay. So
By the
that's
way,
all.
when we're adding all this alcohol, are we supposed to substitute some of the water for the alcohol, or does that go in extra? Because it's going to be a bit runny.
No. In the recipe, it already accounts for that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Normally, we would be adding in.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh.
No. Well, just checking.
Clink and drink.
Yeah.
Oh, click and subscribe.
All right, so
Okay, so next thing we need is 1 cup of clear rum.
clear rum.
That's that one.
Okay, Bacardi in this instance, I'm going to
That container right
pour
there.
it off camera, but I promise it will only be 8 fluid ounces, 1 cup.
Yeah, a little bit more. Well, who cares? All right.
A little bit more for the poop heads, did you say?
I did not. That's terrible. This is a children's show.
I am supposed to add that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay,
you are.
right.
Now we're doing a half a cup of Grand Marnier or triple sec or Cointreau.
In this case, we have, actually, it shows Grand Marnier, so we'll say it's Grand Marnier. Actually, it's a bit of a blend.
This is a bit of a blend.
We measured it out earlier, so I'm just gonna
Off camera.
yes.
Yeah,
Preparation.
yeah. So, this is a half a cup. We should pour it in.
All right, I'll pour it.
Just so they know, just so you can believe us. It's a half a cup. It's mostly Grand Marnier. It's a little bit of triple sec too. See that? Love. See? Accurate measures. Okay.
Yes. If I tip it like that, it looks like more, but it really isn't. It's just half a cup.
All right.
All right,
Pouring
so I'm
it
gonna
right
add
on in there.
that in.
Yes, lovely. And ooh.
Now, judging by the volume of liquid, we need about 400 strawberries to contain this.
Well, it would technically be 100. We have 52.
Oh, so we made twice as much liquid as we needed then. Oh yeah, that's right. You did say yes. We're gonna keep the rest for ice cream. You did say that.
I did say that.
Yes. Checking.
Lime juice.
How much of that did we?
Half a cup. So bring that puppy back.
Oh yes. I thought I was done.
You're not done.
I'm not done.
Never bring it off camera. All right, this is sitting nice. Now, how, you wonder, how are we going to get this Jell-O into these strawberries? Let me tell you, we have made these things several times, right? Many times
Yes.
over the years. We have been invited to some pretty swanky parties because we bring these.
But what's the first thing you have to do before you can get it in the strawberry?
Clink and drink.
No. Well, yes. I mean, obviously, but you have to prepare the strawberry.
We have to prepare the strawberries. That's the key. Now, let's put this.
Then you clink and drink, right? No. There you go. Yes.
So, we've done this several times, and we have found some tried and true time-saving ways to do this. So here's the deal.
And we've also found a few ways
Not to do
it. Right.
Yeah. So,
yes.
here's the trick. You're supposed to cut the little tiny tip off the bottom of the strawberry so it sits upright.
Yes.
If you cut too much, it causes a little tiny microscopic hole in the bottom of the strawberry, and then all the liquid just goes right out the bottom.
Thing is, if you don't cut enough, it falls over.
It falls over.
So we've got to change a plan for this particular one.
We do. We figured
this.
this out.
Yes, we are going to use trays.
These are like little
What are they?
ice cube trays.
Ice cube trays.
Yeah.
I knew that.
So you can get like the old-fashioned kind, but we got these on Amazon. But it's nice because it holds a strawberry, bink,
Yep.
right up in the spot like that.
Yes.
Okay. So what we are not going to do is we're not going to cut the tip off until tomorrow when they're all full and it doesn't matter, right?
Why even bother then?
Well, because when you put them on a tray, they're going to fall over, like that.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter.
All right.
More strawberry that way.
Do a strawberry. Oh.
Do a strawberry.
Get your knife and do a strawberry.
Right.
So
I'm
here's
going
what we do. We're going to cut. You have a cutting board, you know.
Yes, but they can't see it. So I'm going to
They
chop
can
the
see
top
it.
off.
Where's
And
your
then
put
I'm
the
going to dip in here.
Put the box over there. No. You put the box. See? We took the punnet.
You said it right. That with the punnet. Yes.
Okay. So you want to core out. This one is
And there we
not
go.
going to work because
Boom.
there's a big old hole in the side of that strawberry. So that's not going to work, but that's okay. Well, give me your glass.
My glass.
Yeah.
Here we go. You're going to decorate.
Now you have.
Okay. Cool.
There you go.
Mine actually worked perfectly, so I'm just going to go ahead and put that in the tray. And then here's a French moment. Comme ça.
What?
Like, actually,
Comme
like,
ci, comme ça? Like that kind
like
of
that.
comme ça?
Actually, I'm going to put it in this tray, because this one actually is better for the larger size strawberries, and it's going to sit like that.
Okay. Comme ci, comme
Pink
ça.
one is better for the smaller ones.
So-
Kim's got a smaller one, so
Yes, she does.
comme
So
ci,
you,
comme ça, like this, like that. Oh, yeah.
so you want to make sure you cut out enough of the strawberry meat on the inside that you can actually get some decent Jell-O in there, but not too much that you put a hole in the side.
And there we go.
And voila. Comme ci, comme ça.
Whoa.
Bilingual.
C'est là. Huh? Yeah. What are we doing here? What are we doing? Yes.
We're making strawberry daiquiris.
Cousin Sue is going to be, hopefully not turning in her grave, because she was alive and kicking last time we spoke to her.
That's terrible. Hi, Cousin Sue.
Hi, Cousin Sue.
Don't wish that on her. Okay.
So at this point, we're going to go ahead and prepare a whole lot more, and we'll come back to you in a moment when we've got some trays full of strawberries. Show you how to put the liquid in.
Okay.
What are you doing now?
So this is another thing that we learned. We couldn't figure out how to get it into the strawberries without making a mess. So we have one of these little syringes, like a little medicine syringe that we use. You could use a baster if you want, but even sometimes we found that kind of a bloop and then it made a mess. So we found this to be the best, but I also saw someone had it like in a squeezy, like almost a ketchup bottle that you had, and you could squeeze it in there. Here's what we do. So you go like this, and then you just shoot it into the strawberry until it comes to the top, like so. Da 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 da, like so, and like so. See? And it doesn't take very long to do.
So it's important to have them level,
Yes,
otherwise the liquid's gonna not, you won't get most liquid in there, right?
True, then they'll start to fall over. Right. And then these will chill overnight, and tomorrow morning we will have lovely strawberries. Okay. So there you have it.
There you have it.
Strawberry Daquiri Jello Shot.
Yes, which of course you can't see now because they're out of camera. And, just in case you were wondering, plenty of Jell-O to go with our ice cream. Yeah? No?
Yeah, and we have
It's going to be awesome. How much have we got left? Yeah, quite a bit. All right.
We have straws.
Straws? You want to drink it with a straw? It's warm.
Show that again.
Show it again. There we go. That's how much there is. It's about to go down. Ooh. Not a good way to go. Don't put that back in there. All right.
Nice.
We'll come back when these have set and
Yes.
show you the finished product.
Woohoo! Welcome back. Part 2 of the strawberry daiquiris. So, as you can see, we put them in the refrigerator last night and they've gotten nice and hard. Some of them, I'm not gonna lie, because we're transparent here, some of them, the Jell-O, there was a little tiny hole in the bottom, so we took some of this Jell-O over here and then filled these up over here. But you know what? If you're popping a Jell-O shooter, you don't really care what it looks like, you really care what it tastes like. So we just took a couple of them and we just filled them up. But normally they're gonna look like this beauty here. Now what you do is you go ahead and take some sugar, just some regular table sugar, just pour it onto a plate. So we're gonna rim the strawberries, like so. We're gonna take this beauty, because we pulled him out, and you just kind of go like this. Now some people say, oh, do lime juice, do water, whatever. Kind of looks like this baby. Then you take the little lime that we've cut and you put it on the edge just like that. Look at how pretty, right? And then we put them on our little tray. Now, if you want them to stand up straight, what you will do is you take one of these guys here, take the end, and you just barely cut the end off like that, so he stands up straight like that. Take this, roll him in the sugar, roll. Take a little lime. How many of these do you think are going to actually end up at the party?
I don't know.
Probably not that many.
See, that one fell over already. That
It
first
did. So we're going to take the end here and we're going to just clip it off. I was so excited I didn't cut it off first. Take the bottom off. Stick it like that, and then it goes like voila. See, look at how pretty these are. They're actually elegant, they're pretty, they're quite tasty, and they're a lot of fun. So this is the Strawberry Daquiri Jello Shots in a little strawberry. And
have we tasted the Jell-O?
No. No, we haven't tasted the Jell-O. Here, Mike. Want to taste the Jell-O?
Ooh, hang on, I can't even see where
How
it
about I
is.
feed it to you?
Yeah.
How is it?
Good.
Okay. I don't know. Can you have a DUI eating Jell-O?
I'm sure if you eat enough. Yeah.
Whew, that's going to put hair on your chest. All right. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this, like and subscribe. Share it with a friend. And we'll post the information and the instructions down below in the comments. Thanks.